Hello everyone, my laptop is spoiled. So this is what happened. Why I want to show you. Even I am a girl, I try to fix my laptop. Okay, so I want to show you. Okay, this my laptop is one day is very okay, but suddenly when I turn on, when I turn on, did you see that? Yeah, it's a blinking. Did you see that? Blinking. Sometimes it's red coming, sometimes it's white. So this is happen, guys. So if I turn off the caps lock, did you see that? It's on, but don't have a screen. So we can do now? We try to fix it by myself. Even I try to text like this. What I did, together you can sit and then you press the bell, nothing happened. So this one, nothing happened. So I try to take away from behind. So I try to turn off this one until the laptop is turned off. So I press until 15 seconds. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10. Okay, so it's totally turned off. Okay, yeah, I still have. So we need to turn off this until cannot turn off. So no more. Yeah, it's totally turned off. So we try to close it and then we try to take away all this thing. So I have some of my, what is this called, is screw. Yeah, so I buy different kind of screw that I need. One day I can use something, so I need some of one of screw here. So I take away the one screw here. I don't know which one okay, yeah. So let's do and make our yeah. So all of this one I open one by one. So I don't know, guys. Lord, please help me that everything will be okay. So we try to take away. So how to take away this one? And this one is not. So we find the screw that we can use. Let's see how. What is the screw here that we can use? Oh my goodness, I cannot see. I don't know where's which one. Because this morning I saw already and try. So let's see how. This one is big. This one is long. And this one is, let's see how. This one, we're trying this. Okay, let's try this. So I have a screw here. Okay, so let's try. Yeah, okay. So the thing is coming out. Yeah, it's good because we can take out this one. Still cannot open. Yeah, so small. So we need to take out. We don't have any screw. It's already take out, but never mind later. We take out everything first. Okay? Yeah. So this one. This one. Yan. Oh my gosh, it's become long time. And this one. mga lalabs. I become a technician. Yeah. This one. So this one must be keep properly, because if one or this one is missing, is so sad. Okay. And this one. Yeah. Okay. So long, huh? We are not a technician, so we try ourselves to make it. Okay. So now everything is going out. So it's already like it's going. It's very, yeah. It's so long. Must be taking. It's a very long, guys. So this one happened. So this one happened. The screw is here. We put here. Yeah. So if I used to be, it's very long. So guys, ayan. I already take all this one. I already take out all the screw. Yeah. So now let's go and proceed to the second step. So they told that must be open in that side. So let's see how to open this one. Oh my nose. Let's see how to open. Okay, let's do it. It's already open this side before. So yeah, if someone is opening. Yeah. So guys, it's already open. Did you see that? Exciting. So now I open my computer. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. So what we can do now? I don't know what should I can do, guys. Oh my goodness. So we follow the instruction. They told that take out the battery. I think this is the battery one. Oh my goodness. So so difficult, guys. So what should I can do? Oh, this one. I think this one. So we need to take this one, guys. We need to take this one. Then 1 minute. So guys, ngayon po is nabuksan ko na po sa likod. So kinuha ko po yung dito. Ito, yung charger. Kinuha ko po to. Ayan. So ibalik natin, guys. Itong charger to. Ayan. Kinuha ko siya. So ibalik natin siya. Ayan. Kailangan masakto to. Kasi ayan. So ayan na siya, guys. Ewan ko kung ayan. So nakakuha na siya. Nabalik na natin. Ayan, kinuha ko to, guys. Binalit natin. Battery daw to. Then, so nati-take out natin to, guys. Yung RAM na sinasabi. So kinuha ko nang i-press lang to, guys. Makuha mo na siya. And then another here, you can press para makuha mo siya. Ayan. So ayan lang siya pala, guys. Oh. Ayan, 'di ba? I-push mo tong dalawang white sa gilid, pagkatapos kunin siya. Ayan. Sunod, pagkatapos ibalik. So ba't sa iba doon ay nila, kini-cleaning. Ayan. Ayan, ibalik natin siya, guys. Sana hindi maano. Hindi siya ba yun? Ito ba yun? Ano ba yan? Hala guys. Nagkamali ako yata. What is the correct one? Ito siya. Ito siya guys. Ayan. So, ayan. Oh, yun. So, nabalik na natin siya guys. So, i-try natin ibalik kung ang computer ay mag-ano siya. Okay. So, ngayon, let's see how. Ay, sana maging okay ang lahat. Let's see how guys. Maging okay yung ating computer. Sana maging okay guys. Jesus. It's so good. You see, guys? Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes. Exciting. Yes. My computer. Okay. So now I know how to do it. I know even I am a girl, I know how to fix my computer. Thank you so much. May mga idea. So thank you so much guys sa pagsubaybay sa akin. Ngayon, naging okay na po yung ating computer. So thank you so much po mga lalab. I'm very excited. You see how I can make it myself. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Rexy is good. Wow. So well, let's see how. Buksan natin yung ating computer guys. Ayan. 80. Ayan. The password is getting ano. Yeah, guys, approve. You see, guys, I know how to fix it, right? So, thank you for watching and see you again in my next vlog. My computer is already okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share. And of course, don't forget to click the notification bell so that every uploaded my videos you have updated. Guys, now our computer is already okay. So we need to put back all the screw. Yeah. So this one happened. So I put back all the screw already. So this is screw, I use it. So this one. Now this one, I have a complete screw. Did you see that? Wow, Prexy Joy is already what is that? A technician. So this one. So we try again guys ha. Let's see how. Ayan ha. Let's see how the result is. Ayan. Okay. Yay! This is happened. My laptop is already going. Yeah, or it's already on. So guys, you know, follow my instruction, then you understand how to fix your computer. So thank you so much and God bless everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, click the notification bell so that every uploaded my videos you have updated. I already made it. Oh!